Good morning, YouTube. Scott Off-Road. How you doing today? Well, today we're getting a tummy tuck.
Wouldn't a diet be easier?
Really? A diet? I'm not getting a tummy tuck. The Jeep's getting a tummy tuck. I'm not that fat. I don't think. Knock. Having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
Guess what? I'm getting a tummy tuck.
You get a butt lift too?
Butt lift? Wow. The Jeep, not me.
No.
Not that fat. Alright, so we're working on the fab, working on the belly up skid. Got the old skid on top. Marking out where I need to cut, because on my Jeep I had to cut the factory skid plate for the long arm suspension, so I'm gonna have to cut this one as well. So cross our fingers cutting on new metal. You want to roll her under?
What are you gonna do about marking the transmission? Or you just worry about cutting it out first?
I'm just worried about getting in place right now, because it won't clear the suspension.
So all you'll have to do is drill a hole, really, for this, right?
No, that hole isn't used.
Why not? Because it could
There's
be
nothing there.
Okay.
It's solid frame underneath there.
Well,
Okay, I'm up against suspension right here. How about you? Are you on that side?
yeah, it will be. And right now.
Okay. So my holes are where they need to be on this side. There should be a Sharpie.
Yeah, I'm really close right here.
There's a Sharpie on the floor by the front tire.
Plate's heavy enough. They ain't screwing around there. Yeah, looks like it's gonna be pretty close. Yours might be a little deeper than mine.
No. That's why we do a little bit at a time. I lost my ears. There they are.
sure they're right where you left them last.
Helpful. All right, one of the issues I've got is an aftermarket custom belly pan or engine skid that no longer lines up because it was designed to work with the factory skid. All right, with fab work comes issues. New belly pan and engine pan do not line up. So time to do some fabbing. Alright, here we are. My tummy tuck belly up skid plate is in, and that thing is looking nice. Wow, I am impressed. I will need to do a engine lift in it, waiting on those parts to come in, so hopefully sometime next week they'll be in. With mine, I did have to weld in this bracket here, and that is for my custom built engine skid to mount up to. So a little bit of fab work. Had to drill 4 holes there for the transmission mount. I'll see about putting some sort of a bolt protector around all 7 of these bolts, but so far very, very happy, very stoked. Let me turn the camera here. Here's the back side of it. This is where I had to notch it for the suspension, and then put a notch in for the exhaust. Next time I have it out, I'll probably open this notch out just a little bit more, give it a little bit nicer look. And then over here as well, where I had to trim down to fit the aftermarket suspension lift. Yeah, all right, we're done. This is the Barnes belly up skid plate. Really happy with it. Really heavy duty. I'm looking forward to years of service with this. As always, like, subscribe, follow. Have a blessed day.